So today we're going to be adding simple CSS interactions, which is basically the hover effect. So let's get right into our HTML code. So we're going to be opening our boilerplate and we're going to be changing our title, which is coding cleverly. So below that in the body, we're going to be writing a button tag because we want to be displaying a hover element. So in the button, we'll be adding a class. In the class, we're going to be associating that we want to be adding a hover button. So we're going to be closing this button, and we're going to be writing over here hover over me, which is going to be written as a text, and we're going to be saving this and we're going to be seeing what have we be created yet. So let's see. So we see there's a hover me, a button over here. Let's get closer into it. Hover me. This is a button, what we see. So this is what we created with our HTML code. So let's get right into our CSS code. We're going to be opening a new file over here. New text file. We're going to be saving as save as go file. Below save as, we're going to be going in the folder where we save our things. Hi.css. So we're going to be saving it, and yeah, we already had a file before, but we're going to be changing it and we're going to be saving this. So we're going to be adding a hover button over here. We want to say we want to add a hover button on this, and we're going to be adding opening the bracket inside. We're going to be saying, okay, we want to change the background color. We want to change the background color, and inside this I'll say keep it blue background color, which is going to be blue, and we'll change the color of the font into white. We change the color into white. We'll add padding. I'll just add a random number. I'll just say 10 pixel to 20 pixel. I just said random 10 pixel to 20 pixel. You could add whatever you want. I'll just say no borders. I don't want any borders. None. Below the borders, I'll say cursor pointer. I want to add a pointer cursor. You can add as much as things on. You say transition. I'll say transition background color. I just want to say the background joke, the color of background is going to be in 0.35 ease. So this is all, and let's save this and let's see what have we created till now. So we're going to be refreshing this page, and we see that there's no, oh yeah, there's no difference because we didn't link our HTML page right now. Sorry, I forgot about this. So we're going to be going in our head tag and we're going to be linking our web page. So we're going to be saying, okay, we want to write link. We're going to be opening our tag and we're going to be writing link rel, and inside we'll be saying style sheet. So afterward this style sheet, we're going to be saying, okay, we want to make a ref tag. Inside this ref is hi.css. We're going to be saving this and we're going to be doing this, then we're going to be saving, and now we're going to be running, and now there's a blue tag. This text is white color as we associated it. So we said the basic thing that we want to change the background color into blue, which is background is blue, and white, the color of the text should be white with padding of 10 pixel to 20 pixel. Borders, there's no borders inside. There's a cursor pointer, the cursor is pointer. You see these are pointers, and the transition background color is 0.35 ease. So let's just add, there's a no hover button over here. Let's go back in our code and let's add a hover button. So we're going to be adding a hover, button inside. Now say hover button, hover. We're going to be opening the bracket, and inside this we're going to be saying background color. We'll just say change the background color for your basic understanding of this. I'll just say uh, let's keep it something different that you see the difference inside. I'll just say aqua. So we're going to be saving this and we're going to be going back in our code, and let's see what have we changed. I saved it, and now you see it's blue color. Whenever I bring the pointer cursor over here, it changes into aqua color. So let me give you a basic understanding of the code. What have we created inside the CSS? So let's jump right into it. This hover button is styled with a blue background while text and padding. We see that we added a blue background over here while text and padding. So transition background color is 035 ease. What does this mean? This ensures that the background color changes happen smoothly over 0.3 second, 0.35 second. It makes it smooth and makes it all the time visible so we could all see it. So when the user hovers over the button, the background color changes into aqua. Whenever we go, it changes into aqua color. This gives the button a smooth transition effect when hovered over area. So whenever we're going to be coming on top, we see that the color changes and it hovers properly. So I hope you understood this hover effect. So the next video is going to be a crash course on CSS, and I hope you're going to be liking that and you're going to be learning a lot from that. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.